the wind-up. Such a beautiful day in the cat house. Yeah, it sure is a beautiful day when it's better. What are we going to do today? Yeah, are we going to have any fun? Are we going to go spend this Amazon gift card? Huh? That's my Amazon gift card for your information. Sorry, I had to bounce on your head. Do I have to put my magic spell on you? Scrappy, come get your Skittles. Ew, they went in the dumpster. What? My Skittles just went in the dumpster? Are you kidding me? No, they're not here. Oh. Can't lose my nutritious snack. We're gonna go look for something fun to do. Yep. I'll go see if I can buy something with them at the mall. Hey, Specs. Hey, what's that you're playing with? It's a toy. Well, you want it? It's only 50 cents. Oh, sure. We have a $25 gift card. Oh. Hey, come back. You can keep it. Can you dance again like you did for me, please? We're back. Didn't you see us? Yes, I have amnesia. You don't have amnesia, okay? You do not have amnesia. We do not have short-term memory loss, and you do not have amnesia. Just will it do something for us, okay? Ah! Ooh, she fell off the cliff. And she fell on my Skittles. Ew, no, they taste like cat breath. Oh my god. But you're a cat. You're not going to eat them. But if she does have amnesia, if we know for so ever, my food tastes bad. No!